Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a car rental business with Hertz, full guide step by step clearly. Starting a car rental business with Hertz is an exciting venture. First, research the car rental industry to understand market trends and demand. Next, evaluate the competition in your area to identify gaps in the market. Consider your target audience and their needs when planning your business model. Then, develop a detailed business plan outlining your goals and strategies. Include financial projections, marketing plans, and operational workflows in your business plan. After that, register your business and choose an appropriate legal structure. Decide whether you will operate as a sole proprietor, partnership, or corporation. Next, secure the necessary permits and licenses required for starting a car rental business. This may vary based on your location, so check local regulations thoroughly. Once legalities are in place, establish a relationship with Hertz for franchise opportunities or partnerships. Visit the Hertz website to gather information on their franchise program and requirements. Prepare the necessary documentation to apply for a partnership with Hertz. This will likely include your business plan and financial statements. After approval, work on site selection for your rental operation. Choose a location that is easily accessible and visible to potential customers. Next, build your fleet by acquiring vehicles that cater to your target market. Consider purchasing or leasing vehicles through Hertz's extensive fleet options. Develop a comprehensive pricing strategy that meets market demands while ensuring profitability. Ensure that you have a robust marketing plan to attract customers to your business. Utilize online platforms, social media, and local advertising to promote your rental service. Establish a smooth booking system, whether online or via phone, for customer convenience. Once your operations are set up, focus on delivering excellent customer service. Train staff adequately to ensure they meet the standards expected by Hertz and your customers. Regularly assess your business performance through customer feedback and financial metrics. Finally, be prepared to adapt and evolve your business strategies as market conditions change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.